I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Pierce in Marvel Future Fight. Pierce is a crucial stat that lets your characters bypass a portion of an enemy's defense, making your attacks much more effective. This is especially vital when facing tough World Boss Legend or Giant Boss Raid opponents. Even a small increase, like 2% or 5% Pierce, can dramatically improve your damage output and overall combat performance. The most effective way to acquire Pierce is through your premium comic cards. When you craft these cards, you gain the opportunity to roll for various bonus stats. Your goal is to achieve blue stars on these crafted options, as this is where the valuable Pierce stat can appear. It's a process that requires some dedication, but the payoff in game performance is immense. To optimize your Pierce acquisition, start by fully crafting your best premium cards. Don't get too caught up trying to perfect every single stat immediately. Instead, prioritize simply getting any Pierce percentage on your cards first. Then, consistently farm the necessary resources for crafting and re-rolling to gradually improve those Pierce values over time. Patience and persistence are key here. Ultimately, aiming for a total Pierce percentage around 25% across your cards will significantly boost your combat power. This level of Pierce is absolutely crucial for efficiently clearing the most challenging content, like World Boss Legend and Giant Boss Raid. Remember, a well-built card set with high Pierce can transform your gameplay. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.